What's up, YouTube? It's Little Michael. About to do another video today. In the background, this is my son. Well, today I decided to do a video of something that I'm about to customize, and I want to show y'all. So I'm pretty sure like some of y'all probably already seen these pens. They kind of look like these, like something like that. In the back of them, they're like got all the characters on there, stuff like that, Rick and Morty. But I wanted to show y'all today. I'll be customizing these today. I might put like Rick and Morty, and I might do something in the bag, probably, maybe. Sorry about this, my son. Like he's probably real loud in the video, but it's okay. But by the way, oh y'all want to see my son? All right, hold on. This is my son. His name is King. Say hello. Hello, everybody. My name is King Monty. But today I'll be doing a video for Michael Jackson, and it'll be Human Nature. Why? It's because I feel good today. Like when I was in my room listening to it, I was like, "This is a really good vibe," you know. And I want to like, I'm gonna dance on my back porch, and it's like full of trees and the sun and everything. And I feel like it's a really good song. It's a really good song, and it's a song that I feel like I'm gonna dance to. So if you interested in watching me, if you interested and want to see me dance to this video, make sure you like, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos, all my upload videos. And I love y'all. Hope y'all be safe out there. Have a good day. Have a rest of your beautiful day. And thank you.